Do you actually know who can see what you do online? Because right now, your internet provider can see way more than you think. Not just websites, apps, background activity, even silent connections. Here are some settings that most people never touch. The reality check. Incognito mode doesn't protect you. Clearing history doesn't protect you. Your ISP sits above your browser. So today I walk you through every setting slowly and clearly so you actually understand what you are changing and why. Private DNS. Every time you open a website, your phone asks, "Where is this site located?" That request goes through DNS and by default, your ISP controls it. Let's change that. Open Settings, tap Network and Internet, tap Private DNS. Choose Private DNS Provider Host Name. Type 1.1.1.1.cloudflaredns.com and tap Save. This encrypts your website requests. Your ISP still sees traffic, but not the site names. Good start, but we are not done yet. Private DNS inside Chrome. Here is something most people miss. Browsers like Chrome can use their own DNS, separate from the system. Open Google Chrome, tap Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Tap Use Secure DNS. Turn it on. Tap Choose another provider. And choose Cloudflare. This adds another layer. Even inside Chrome, DNS requests stay encrypted. VPN, the encrypted tunnel. A VPN creates a secure tunnel between your phone and the internet. Inside that tunnel, your ISP address is hidden, your activity is encrypted. Your ISP can't see what you are doing. They only see that you are connected to a VPN. But here is the problem. The kill switch. No accidental leaks. If your VPN disconnects, even for 1 second, then your phone reconnects normally. That's how data leaks. Open VPN app, go to Settings, turn on kill switch or block connections without VPN. If your VPN doesn't support these settings, Android gives you full control. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet. Tap VPN. Tap on the gear icon of your VPN and turn on Always On VPN and block connections without VPN. Now your phone cannot access the internet without VPN. This is max protection. Wi-Fi and device tracking. Even with VPN, your phone can leak tracking data. Turn off Auto Connect. Open Settings. Go to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi Preferences or Advanced. Turn off Auto Connect to open networks. Private Wi-Fi address. Go back. Tap on your connected Wi-Fi. Go to Privacy. Enable Private Randomized MAC. Now each network sees you as a new device. Stop hidden scanning and location abuse. Turn off scanning. Go to Settings. and tap on Location. In Location Services, turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Limit location permissions. Open Settings, Privacy, Permission Manager, and look which app has access to your location. Set unnecessary apps to Don't Allow or Allow only while using. The browser rules. Use DuckDuckGo or Firefox Focus. Block third-party cookies. Turn off background sync and avoid random extensions. Browser privacy works only after network privacy. Remember, privacy is layers. Private DNS, browser DNS, VPN, kill switch, and Wi-Fi control. If you skip one, your data leaks.